Hello, welcome to the second episode of BrainJ, of how to work with BrainJ tutorial. Today we're going to prepare our images, and you can see here that I have a Zen application opened, which is the application that we usually work on when we get the images from slide scanner, basically. So if you work with the slide scanner, you'll probably get a number of slices on the plate. And for example, here I have, I don't know how many, let's see, I have let's go here, and okay, so here I have 7 slices on per one plate. So next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna adjust the background. So I'm gonna get rid of the background by clicking here and adjusting whatever I want. So I have two channels here. It's a DAPI and the CFOS. The CFOS is green. So you just do this whenever you however you would do this normally, so that the staining would be good. And then you right click and then create subset images from the region of interest. And here you can see this bar. This is a progress bar, and the bigger your RAM, you'll get something like that, by the way. So then you will have to export it, get the parameters, and don't forget to click on TIFF, and here you can adjust the size of image you'll get. So it depends on your RAM. You can see here, take a look here, it's free RAM you have. So I have around 5 GBs here and the CPU, and try not to overload it. If your RAM is not that good, if it didn't work, if it says some error, just try to decrease the size of your image here by making it 95%, around that. But if you are pretty good with this, if you have enough RAM, just make it 100%. So don't forget to also click on input, get specifically the region of interest that you want. And then you can see here how my RAM immediately went down from 5 GBs to 3 GBs. And okay, so I clicked on the pause, and now it took me around 5 minutes to get the image. Now let's see where this image is, and I save it here. Here it is, and the Fiji also will take some time to open this image as well. So let's see, what do we have? It should be just one slice. Yeah, it worked. Let's try to see how good it is, and I think it's pretty good. Yeah, it's really good staining. Now we click on plugins, and let's check where is our BrainJ. If you go down,
okay, so
really
since this
down,
episode is just about preparation, your slides, we're not gonna work with the BrainJ, so we'll focus on preparation. The first thing what we do is we are gonna create a folder with the experiment slices that we need. I'm calling it homepage, CFOS, example, experiment. So the next thing I do is I'm copying each slice image and pasting it to this folder. I have, as you remember, I have 7 of them, or maybe 8, not sure. And then I'll put all of them. Let's see, how many of them do we have here? Let's just, and I'll also want to stick with the enumeration of each slice, so which number is has which slice, basically. So this one, for example, I'm just copying, pasting it to the folder, and so I put on a pause and basically gathered them all in one folder. but now it's not in the right order, it's just in the number of the order it came from the slide scanner. Now the next step is to identify which of the images you don't want to include, in case if they're really bad, if there is too many, I don't know, too much background, or maybe the tissue is not whole, let's say. In this case, I already deleted one, so I had 9 images, now I have 8. It was really bad. And the next step is to align them according to the brain atlas, so from the front to the back. For now they are not in the right order, as I said before, and I'm gonna align them in the right one. So for example, after this one should be that one. Wait, if you're not sure, just click on it and open. By the way, if the TIF files are opened not automatically by Fiji, I'm gonna show you how to make your computer to open them automatically by that program. So you right click on it, and then you click open with, then you go choose another app, then you go more apps, and then look for another app on this PC, and then go to the folder where you installed your Fiji app. So here is my folder, and then you go click on the exe file, and that's it. Now all your files will be automatically opened by the TIF file. Okay, so this one, I just need to look at it and see what is the position of it. So it's gonna be after this one, probably. Now I rename it as not just 001, I'll call it section 0, oh, sorry, come on, I should rename it as section 0. Since I have less than 10, I'm not gonna add another 0 because I don't need it. It's gonna be less than 10, so I'm making it 0, 2. This one stays as the first one, so I'm gonna rename it section 01. So section 03. So you just do the same until your last one. If you have more than 10 or more, maybe more than 100, it's better to, so pay attention. For example, if you have 01, 02, 03, and then you have 09, and then you do 10. I'm sorry. So rename it like, let's say this one will be 10. Section 10. In case if it's 01, 02, okay? If it was 001, 002, so 2 zeros, do not forget to add another 0, okay? It's really important, otherwise the order of your images will change. So I'm gonna do all of them and click on the pause so that you could do the same with your images. So now they are in right order and they are waiting for you to start working on BrainJ. So this is it. Thank you for your attention, and you can already move on to the episode number 4. Or is it 3? I'm sorry, I think it was 3. See ya!